Good evening, everyone. It's Rachel here doing a late video as we've been moving some boxes. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of news in my Etsy shop. So as of tomorrow, the 25th of November to the 29th of November, I'm having a sale on all digital items. The coupon code is thank you 2021. And it's all in capital letters. I'll write it in the description box. So that will, I don't know if it starts like on the 25th Italian time or US time, I'm not sure, but I think it should be Italian time, so in a few hours. Then I also want to show you these books. Now, some of them are already in my shop, and then a couple I need to do photographs of, so I'll do that afterwards and I'll put those in my shop. They are really, really yummy books. So I'll show you this big pile first. I've got, actually one of those is already sold. I've had them in my shop for a few days, but I still have some left, and they are really, really in great condition. That's the spine, beautiful leather spine. I'm not sure. Yes, that's the right way up. Pretty grungy inside, really nice paper, $18.50. So they're all the same. It's like, you know, different volumes of the same series, but really, really nice paper to play with and gorgeous, pristine covers. So I've got these ones for the moment. I have a couple more at the other house, but that's what I kept over here. So that's those, really, really nice covers. Nice size too. I always put the size in the description box. Then I have this super old one. I don't have many of these. I think I looked through the boxes before. Look at that. That is beautiful. It's French, and I would scan that paper. Whoever purchases this, look at this. It's really pretty, this one. I think it's 17.8. Look at that. Oh, I'll be jealous. I will, but I can't keep everything. Just gorgeous. Scan it, guys. I can't see the date. It's 17 something. I'm trying to find the date, but there is no date in it. But I know it's 1700s. All of these ones are 1700s because I've sold so many of them. I've kept some and sold some, but I can't find the date. This one's lost its date, but it is 1700s. And it's written in French. It's really in great condition internally. Externally, I was just trying to see if I could see a date, but I can't. Externally, it's a little bit worn, but very pretty. Like, you can keep it in your bookshelf. See, that's been glued onto there, so I don't know. But certainly you could scan some of the bits and pieces in there. So that's that one. And then I have this. Look at that. Look at that spine. That is beautiful. 1851, again, French. I wonder why we find so many French books here, but we really do find a lot. Great condition. Lovely paper. So that's that one. Oh, this one's really pretty. I've got another one. I wanted to keep it. 1883, and it's got images all the way through it. It's got illustrations, and it's French again. Lovely illustrations in it. So that's you could alter it or keep it. That's up to you. And then I love the grungy ones. The grungy ones are quite often my favorite. This one's History of Italian Literature, but it's French. But I love the cover. And then this is raggy paper. This one, 1819. Yeah, 1819. Lots of pages, deep spine. Definitely fit 3 signatures. Here I would put, you could increase the spine or 2 signatures. This one I would put 3 signatures, but just make sure you put less pages. And that one I'm not sure whether it's a keeper or an alterer. And then there's this gorgeous one. I love the spine. I would just alter it. It's got a bit of mildew there, but it's been handwritten in 1851 and really nice paper. And you can feel almost the imprint in it. It's poems. In Italian, this one. Really, really nice. Love the cover. Yeah. So, or you could increase that spine, or you could just leave it as it is. And then this is a biggie. You could do 3 signatures. And I love the cover. One of my favorite types there. And this one is in French, Latin French, 1829. Really nice paper in this one. So there we go. So that is my little shop update. A few more books, and then also sale on all digital items for the next, what is that, 4 days? I don't know if it end on Monday like at 12 a.m. or whether it will end on Monday 12 p.m. I'm not sure. So I hope everybody is well, and I will see you again soon. Bye.